Welcome back to Triple T Outfitters and our build series on our Yamaha 252 FSH. We're calling our Blue Water build. I'm really excited about this video. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. It's taken some logistics and some coordinating to make it happen. And it's going to be one that some people are going to go, what the hell are you doing that for? And you know what? It may work, it may not work, but we haven't seen anybody do it and actually have a reason why I'm going to do this. So let's get on with this build. And in the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, the big question, why? Why are we using such a basically large radar mast on our Yamaha? And one of the reasons is the amount of stuff that we have to mount. But the biggest reason is I don't like punching holes in my boat. I really don't like it. And I think you'll see that hopefully this works out to be a good solution to minimizing the amount of penetrations in the top of the boat. Okay. Why would we use such a large radar mast on our boat? I knew it was going to be way too big, and as soon as I saw it, my initial thought was, I wonder if I can modify this to make this work. The height that we were working with is from the factory with the anchor light up on the trailer's 11.5. With this modification, we've matched what the factory height of the boat is on the trailer, but we've expanded our ability to mount everything in one central spot. I said I don't like punching holes in my boat, and I don't. Okay, this is our modified radar mast. From the factory, these are 29 inches tall. This, at its present height right now, is 20 inches tall, 20 3/4 inches tall. When it's on the trailer, the height of this on the boat is the exact same height that the boat is now with its anchor light up. So it's 11 foot 5 inches. So here's the things that we have to mount. We've got a Garmin GPS. With its mount, you're looking at 3 holes for the mounting and another hole for the cable. For your Halo 20 radar, you're looking at a total of 5 holes. There's 9 holes in the boat. For the Minn Kota heading sensor and GPS, there's another 2 holes plus 1 for the cables. 12 holes in the boat plus the night vision, roughly 15 holes in the boat top. I don't want to do that. That's a lot of holes, and it's a lot of opportunity for water penetration over time, and so I want to minimize that. And so what we are going to do with this modified stand is we're going to take all of those mountings and we're going to reduce it down to 5 holes. So now we're going to start putting this together.